Hi everyone, welcome to tilottamahandloom.in. I am Choitali. Today I am going to show you our cotton applique sarees which are very frocket friendly and very easy to wear, summer friendly saree also. If you like our sarees, like our video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for your regular notification. And the calling number, WhatsApp number is 7890721706. So let's start to see our sarees today. This is our first saree. This is yellow cotton with a check border on it, where it's applique work, the separate border work. It's check border, red with a white border on it, and the same cloth we are using for the body applique work also. See the close look of the applique work, and you can see the mannequin picture also in the screen. The sari price is 1050 and booking number is 7890721706. Free shipping all over India, and if you need wholesale then you can contact the same number also. This is the first sari. Let's move on our next sari. This is the next sari. The sari color is beige color on it. The base color is beige color, and the sari applique work is we are using two shades of blue. It's royal blue and one is sky blue. See the close look of the applique work. This is the pallu, and this is the inside of the sari. You get the design, the bunch of flowers with the birds design in the lower half of the sari, and one blue piping all over the both side border we are using. This is the next sari. The sari color is sea green color, and we are using one peach colored border on it, and the flower motifs all over the sari. See the mannequin picture also in the screen, and the close look of the applique work. The border we are using this separate border. It's stitched border on it. The sari price is 1050. All the sari price are 1050 today, 1050, and booking number is 7890721706. If you like the sari, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. And if you like our saris, like our video, please subscribe our channel. This is the next sari. The color is very beautiful. It's a soft pink with a black colored applique work on it and embroidery work on it. This is the black border also. There is a small black embroidery work on the all over the body. See the mannequin picture also. The color is very beautiful, and black patchwork border all over the sari. See the mannequin picture. This is pink with the black combination. The sari price is 1050. All the saris I am showing today are without blouse pieces, 5.5 meter. If you like, please take a screenshot. And if you like more saris, if you like to see more saris, then please visit our website. This is the next sari. The sari color is double shade of grey. It's pink with green combination, and it's look like grey. Very uncommon, unusual color. And this is the pallu. Two separate lines pallu with a bird motif on it. Birds are applique with the embroidery design on it. And the cloth we are using, that print, there is also a bird print on it, and the black birds in the border side. All these are applique work. Very beautiful color combination, lightweight sari. This sari is a little starch finished sari because this is a very lightweight cottons. This sari price is also 1050. If you like, please take a screenshot, and if you like our video, please subscribe our channel. This is our next sari. The sari color is it's peach pink colored body with a grey colored piping border on it. It's ikat border we are using for the borders, and the lotus and the tulip motifs all over the body. This tulip design is applique design, and see all over the sari have the same tulip work design on it. Very beautiful one, Color is also very beautiful. This is the inside of the sari. This sari price is also 1050. This sari without blouse pieces, it's 5.5 meter. And if you like our saris, this sari, please take a screenshot and send it to 7890721706. This is the next sari. This sari color is yellow with a maroon piping on it. This is the flower, bunch of flower with a bird's motif, applique design with the embroidery work on the sari. This is the pallu and this is a close look of the sari. See the close look. This is the all over the design. See the inside of the sari. This is the inside of the sari. The flower motifs, you can see this is the lower part of the sari. You can see the mannequin picture also in the screen. Very beautiful color is soft yellow with a maroon colored piping on it. If you like this sari, please take a screenshot and send it to 7890721706. This is our next sari. The sari color is sea green. It's very soft color, sea green with a dark brown border on it. And the embroidery work we are using, this is also the same color thread on it. See the close look of this one. All these sarees are very lightweight cotton. You can use this for your daily wear. This is the sea green, light sea green color, and the sari price is 1050. This is the whole look of the sari. You can check the mannequin picture after draping how it's look like. And the small buttas all over the sari. The booking number 7890721706. If you like the sari, please take a screenshot. And if you like our videos, please subscribe our channel. This is the next sari. This is the sari color is also sea green, same color. It's soft sea green color, and this is the panel. You can see the pink panel. This is the pallu, the big lotus motifs in the pallu, and this is the borders, the satin border in this sari. The lower side border is little bit thicker and upper side border is thin. You can see the mannequin picture also, and the lotus motif going through all over the lower side of the sari, and the leaf motif all over sari. Very beautiful color combination, and you can check the mannequin picture also. The sari color, the sari price is 1150, and the booking number is 7890721706. Free shipping all over India. You can pay only the sari amount. This is the last sari of this episode. The same sari with another color combination. The pink panel, you can see this is the pallu, and the lotus motif, same lotus motif, and the lower side border is a little bit thicker, and the upper side border is the thin border. The both side border we are using, see the close look. This is the satin border in this sari, and the yellow color is very soft, and embroidery work is very beautiful. This is the last sari of this episode. The color is also very beautiful, and the work also very beautiful also. The booking number is 7890721706, and the sari price is 1150. Free shipping all over India. Then the payment option is GPay or online bank transfer. And that's all for today. If you like our saris, please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching our video till end, and if you like our saris, like our video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for your regular notification. I will come with our next video very soon. Happy shopping with us. Bye bye. Thank you.